Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us at this place right here, Darkside Brick Oven Pizza Company, and we're here with Chris Goforth.
Hello! Hi there. Look, we got matching cameras.
Wow.
Did you do what I did and like didn't push record and just started talking? And stuff?
No, mine is recording.
And now I'm stuck.
Uh-oh. We're being called Cybertruck. So we'll have to cut these clips down because there's lots of copywritten music in the background. And as you can see, we're in the Star Wars room and there's lots of movie memorabilia all through the restaurant, and I'll take you for a walk around and show you shortly. And here's my starter, meatballs. And the Goforths have gone for salad. Lots of signatures.
Darkside Pizza Company. And on behalf of my staff and of course myself, I'd like to say welcome to the dark side. Thank you so much. Thank God. So, I'll tell you what, it's hard to believe that, I know we have a few Star Wars fans in the house, yes? Yeah. Okay, so, May the 4th, everybody knows, is the official Star Wars Day. That also commemorates Darkside's 1-year anniversary, so happy birthday, Darkside, you're 1 year old. That's so cool. It's hard to believe how fast time flies, and we have been so blessed with people like you guys who are interested in coming in here and being, in my humble opinion, why I built it, being taken back into a time which was the best time to grow up as a kid, and that's the 80s. Thank you. I know there's a few of you guys say, hey, I can't help it, I was born, in the 90s. That's okay. You're here, and I want you guys to know how special the 80s is and was to me, and I think a lot of the Generation X that are in the house. How many Generation X do we have? Right out here? So let's indulge me for a minute so we can educate, you know what I'm saying? All right, if everybody has eyes on me, real quick, just briefly. Y'all follow me over here, here we go. We were talking about Generation X, I know we have a few of them, those that are. You gotta help them out a little bit. Let's start with these. These are called bicycles. I mean, we started out riding these things since maybe when we were 3 or 4 years old, and hell, I'm 55 and I'm still riding them. And I'm not talking about e-bikes either, those don't count. So, growing up as a kid in the 80s, guys and gals, it was awesome. I mean, we spent our weekends, our summers at the arcades, the movie theaters. We were riding our bikes, we were hopping on, our bikes after cartoons and cereal on Saturday mornings. And when we get on our bikes, we go find our friends and we know exactly where they are because all the bikes were spread out over the yard at Steven's house. We're like, okay, so we're staying at Steven's tonight. I remember, guys, these are the things that I love to talk about. I remember being able to ride in the back of a pickup truck. The littlest things that remember that? I mean, the littlest things. I remember my mom writing me a note when I was 13, even 12, not lying. My son Michael has permission to buy me cigarettes. That's when you could go buy cigarettes if you had cash to put them in a vending machine. So seriously, we were playing video games, and these are the vintage video games here. And there's just something about the nostalgia of the 80s, 70s as well. Every weekend there was a new movie coming out, and I mean every weekend there was a blockbuster movie, at least they are now. Goonies one week, E.T. the next weekend, Superman the next weekend after that. You know what I mean? There was just so many great movies, and they were original. The music was original. The parachute pants, they were badass. I'm sorry. The Z Camaricis, the Jordache. Okay, I'm going to go far back. Now, I know every Generation X in here is going to know about the Sears Christmas catalog. Yeah. Y'all remember that? I remember, oh my gosh, circling around like that, this, and then you casually put it in the kitchen, or your mom's bed, But we played with toys. And to all my Generation X in here, I know that you guys look around and you can see your childhood in a box. And I want you guys to know something. This is why I built the Darkside. It wasn't for the money. And God can hear me right now. I didn't do it for the money. I built this place, my wife and I built this place not knowing what to expect, but we're just true fans of the era, of the toys, playing with the toys. Just, things have changed so much. But you guys always can know that y'all can come over here and hang out with ladies anytime. But the reason that we built this place is because we wanted friends and family to be able to come in here and be taken back into a time where my own opinion was just good. Belts, do you remember belts? Those back in the day weren't for holding up your pants and for getting your ass whooped, period. Nowadays, if you get a spanking, Child Protective Services is coming over, But when we get on our bikes, we didn't wear helmets and knee pads. We could drink out of the hose. There wasn't anything called gluten-free pizza. I know somebody's getting out of here, but I'm just kidding, kind of. But seriously, if you guys are able to come in this place and be taken back into a time, maybe where your mom or your dad or a friend who may or may not be with you guys anymore, it's a memory of maybe them taking you to see E.T. And after E.T., I went to Windsor Park Mall and they bought you a Star Wars action figure, and you still have that action figure in the house. That's what the Darkside Brick Oven Pizza Company is all about. So I hope that you guys are having a good time with your friends and family. Know that I love meeting all you guys coming in here. It's crazy how it's been, and we're very humbled and blessed. And a couple things I'd like to tell you guys before I get off. Number one, if y'all haven't already seen the sign that says Darkside After Dark, if you don't know already, we're building a life-size Predator-themed lounge. So we've got a life-size Hugh Bell helicopter and a 20-foot tall tree. We just got our new Predator in a couple of weeks back, and it is fantastic. So, yes, we're going to have live jazz music in there, and I can't wait for you guys to experience it. But you guys keep in mind, and when y'all leave tonight, you're welcome to go across the bridge and get on the patio outside. Don't go across the little bridge, but you'll see the big lit sign. And you guys go on the patio and you can see the helicopter and everything in there and exploring. But know about 2 months, we'll be ready to get that thing open. So everybody, when I get on the mic, people have asked me, this is kind of where it started. Where do you guys get all the pop movie replicas? Are they replicas or was any of this ever in the movies? And if you guys look right over there, you'll see Daniel Russo Miyagi Dojo. That's an actual Karate Kid gi from the original movie, picked up in an auction. And you guys have seen Back to the Future, right? Yes? So this is a piece I'm really proud of right here. This is a half of the DeLorean that has from the first movie, original time machine parts on it. But look at the details. This is what I built for you guys. You know, it's so awesome. But then we got, of course, Marty and Doc. My round of applause, if you guys agree with me, Christopher Reeves is Superman. And then, of course, we've got the 1-1 scale British Jaws. And I can tell you guys, there's not a better one out there than this skull. This is a fantastic skull. And of course, we have right over there, we've got the Wampa from The Empire Strikes Back. And he's dragging Luke Skywalker into the snow. That's a really cool piece. And the thing I showed y'all earlier, the bicycles, one of those was Lori Loughlин's character bike from the movie Rad. So that was her bike, and that's a replica cruise bike. It's still a 1986 Mongoose. And we've had a lot of the cast here. We had a Rad cast here. We had a majority of the Back to the Future cast in here. We had Lori Loughlin hanging out. But then we had actually Leah Thompson. Y'all know who Leah Thompson is, right? She came in here and surprised all of you guys on Saturday night, and it was awesome. But yeah, we're going to have the cast from E.T. coming next in our next Dinner with the Stars, and also Sam Jones from the Flash Gordon. Really humbled to have these kind of people coming in where, you know, they were our childhood heroes, to see them actually in the present. So they're awesome. So before I get off, I just want to say to you guys one last time, thank you guys for your courtesy. Thank you guys for your interest in Darkside Pizza Company. And if you don't mind, my crew have been running around all day long to make sure everybody has a good experience. Can you guys give a round of applause for my people here? Thank you all of you. Thank you guys so very much. Thank you. Thank you. And once again, my name is Michael Hawes. Thank you guys so very much. I'll be real safe to see you at home. And we'll see you next time. Again, welcome to the Darkside. Thank you.
This is cool back here.
It's super cool.
So the owner is giving us a quick tour of the Darkside After Dark, which is a new bar area for adults only, which is opening in about 2 months.
Yeah, isn't that cool? The bridge? Yeah, we're gonna have all down lighting out here, so we'll have like live jazz music and stuff playing over here.
Wow.
Amazing. Thank you for letting us see it.
Oh, you're welcome.
And there is the Predator.
Yeah, there you go. There's your Predator from earlier.
And a full-size helicopter.
Get to the chopper.
And a 20-foot tree in the middle of the bar. How awesome is this? So like I say, it won't be open for another couple of months. Unfortunately, we won't be here, but maybe in a year and a half we'll be back. This guy's waited a long time for a drink. Unfortunately, it's not open yet, pal. Wow.
You gotta see it. Like,
There's Arnold.
he's so real looking.
So Predator's up there. Apparently he's going to kill me. I've got a Predator coming up behind me.
Get to the chopper!
What a fantastic place. A little hidden gem out in the middle of nowhere, really.
Yeah.
It took us about 40 minutes, 45 minutes to get
40
here
minutes, yeah.
from San Antonio.
Just kind of north of the city.
But yeah, fantastic.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Anywho, shall see you all in the next one.
And now it's time to do your job.
What he said.